Hello everyone, my name is Radhika Arora. I am a proud Jackson employee and a doting mother to a super cute 2.5-year-old daughter, Seher. My husband is one of the leaders in Fujifilm and he sells Instax cameras, which has really become a hot favorite of teenagers these days. I love playing with my daughter and I love seeing the world with her curious eyes. As a family, we travel a lot. In fact, we have annual vacation goals to, domestic as well as international locations. Yes, these goals are really delayed because of pandemic, but I'm sure we'll get back soon there. As a person, I like to stay fit and slim, but that's something I like, but I often get derailed on this path. The good part is whenever that happens, I come back and strive on my fitness journey again. As far as my career is concerned, I joined BHEL, an energy company, a Navratna PSU, way back in the year 2004 after completing my MBA and passing through an All India employee test. It was in fact a proud moment for a young aspirant from a lower middle class family for whom even MBA once had become a distant dream due to lack of resources. After completing a decade of HR experience in BHEL, I went on to join a Japanese MNC into consumer electronics space, Sony India. Post Sony India, since last 1 year, I'm back again in the energy industry with Jackson Group. I still remember a very inspiring message from my BHEL days. We used to say, "Hum bijli banate hain." Such a powerful message. It's so good to be connected to people's lives by illuminating their homes. And this is what all of us folks in energy space do. In the energy industry, really a lot is happening and a lot of transformation is happening at an exponential speed. And when change happens, when growth happens, it comes with a lot of challenges. But if we are versatile, if we are agile, and if we are ready to learn each day, I'm sure we are geared up to overcome all these challenges. I agree, we have lesser women workforce in the energy sector as compared to maybe an IT or a banking industry, but I'm sure we are catching up soon with a lot of women friends joining the squad. At Jackson, we are quite a diverse employer with a lot of good and employee-friendly policies which can give you a rewarding and enriching career, at the same time a career which can help you balance your work and life. So all the women folks watching me here on this video, if you have it in you, we welcome you on board the Jackson Group. As a human resource leader, my agenda is to ignite the human spark to build better business and eventually a better world. And I welcome you all to join this journey. Thank you.